The stylish headquarters of the fattest man in crime. Hold on, something's up. Oh no, not her. How can Black Cat be working for Kingpin? The Black Cat, Felicia Hardy. Up to her pretty little eyeballs in trouble again, no doubt. I must be seeing things. It can't be. Not the Hobgoblin or the Green Goblin. You're a cheap knockoff. More like a goblin. Lynette. Green Goblin is so 6 years ago. Come on, the kids, they like Venom and the Sandman. Why are all you bad guys so into this Green Goblin stuff? Come on, guys. There's only one of me, and there's like...
Drop the device at once.
Moon Knight? Hello?
Drop the device at once.
I was fighting the bad guys. Didn't you see?
You were present at the robbery.
And trying to stop it. Now let's chase all the robbers.
You speak the truth to Khonshu. Let us pursue them.
I thought I was nuts.
Hello, lover. Isn't it a beautiful night?
What's going on here? Are you actually working for Mr. Monster Butt? And what did you steal?
Oh, this? Come and get it. You want to know what I want? I want you, Spiderman.
All right, Felicia, let's put an end to this. You might get seriously hurt.
Serious? I seriously enjoyed that. Bring it on.
Okay, Felicia, fun's over.
Oh no, the fun is just beginning. Oh, that looked like it. Pain is such a rush, don't you think? pretty cat knocked the little spider out of his little web.
Nice. I'll give you that one. Oh, goody. Another round of kick this spider.
I can never get enough of my little Spiderman.
Well, I think I've had my fill of psychotic kitty cats.
Come on. You know you love this as much as I do.
No, I think you love it more.
You never know what this might lead to.
I bet it's something I'd never mention in front of my aunt.
Only one way you'll ever find out. Come on. I'm sorry. Did the kitty forget to retract her claws?
Cute. Real cute. Felicia, I'm doing my best to hold back, but you keep pushing.
Holding back on me? You won't live to regret that.
Please, Felicia, give it a rest.
Give you a rest? No way, Spidey. Wow, you're finally starting to get to me.
Keep it up. I'm beginning to think you're not exactly normal, are you?
And you are? Look at that outfit you're wearing. On your feet, sweetie. I'm just getting into this.
You have no idea what you're getting into here, Cat.
Au contraire, amor. I know exactly what I'm getting. It's you. All You're so cute. Looks like this cat still has plenty of scratch.
Spare me the metaphor.
Another KO for the cat.
Oh, brother. I know. That hurt. Don't make me do that again.
I'll make you do it all night, lover. Spidey. No lying down on the job.
Brother. Stay down.
Make me.
Okay, Felicia, please, just stop. Please. Come on.
You didn't say pretty please. I always respond well to you.
How many shots like that are you gonna take?
I don't know. How many do you have to give? Oh, you did it, lover.
Are you okay? I told you to lay off. Are you okay? I told you to lay off. Cat! Gotcha! Felicia, what now? Why is she such a headache machine? Felicia, you in there? Kitty, kitty, kitty.
I'm right here, you idiot.
So, are you okay? I'm not sure what's going on.
Masks? Who are we really? We have all these powers and act like we're ashamed of them.